This one is a 1936 Corona Standard Special. Color is burgundy and it's glossy and it's beautiful. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To set the margins, you move them from back here like that. Same on both sides. Push this one towards the end of the page, and it's got these paper tray fingers back here. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space, gets you back to the beginning of the margin, and it skips 1 or 2 spaces. To switch from single to double, you just flip this switch down. We're going to keep it on single for now. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'm going to type a sentence in red. To switch to red, you flip that switch up. Beautiful typewriter, types beautifully. The print's beautiful as well. Do a close up, and I'll do a close up a little bit on the machine here. It's just gorgeous, glossy. Almost 100 years old, and it's in this kind of condition. Very rare. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. To pull the paper out easy, you flip this switch forward on the right, and it'll pull out easy. It disengages the rollers underneath the platen, so you can pull out papers easy and load thicker paper. The line space is right there with the single and double space. I already showed you that. This one has a tab function. It's got 1 tab on the back. You can put more if you can find them, but this, all you do is you take that out and you just put it anywhere that you want to set a tab, and then you just hit the tab button right here and it'll stop at that tab. It's got a backspace on the top right there. Works good. Shift and shift lock. It's got a shift on each side. Open the hood. You got the spools and the touch control on the left side here. That determines the resistance on the keys when you hit them. The higher you go, the higher the resistance. And it's got a direction for the spools, reverse direction. So you flip it up, it'll pull to this side. And you flip it down, it'll pull to that side. As you can see, it's pulling. It's not going to move because it's stuck on the hood. But it'll pull to this side, and that's what we want it, because we got a brand new ribbon on this side full. So then we need to pull it to that side. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.